Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If your Windows PC getting slow, storage is filling up or junk files are taking too much space, then today's videos might help you. Today I am testing tool called WMaster Cleanup. What interesting thing is that all the features are currently available for free for limited time. So we are downloading now WMaster Cleanup. This is free now. We are already downloaded it. I will provide the link in description in my video and pin by comment. We already downloaded it. We are going to install it. Run. I agree with the terms. Install now. This features gestures is too much catchy. Let's start the disk cleanup. Features. This tool scans your computer for junk files as temporary files, system cache data, logged files, and other unnecessary data. We are pressing start now. Here is the file PC optimizer, clean C drive, clear privacy, disk analyzer, installs apps, duplicate clean, clear cache, browser history. This is really helpful. File disk defragment, clean registry, file big file finder. Wow, this all is free now. We are going disk cleanup. Smart clean, deep clean. Scan now. Scanning. This is really helpful for all PC because today too many updates come. That's why junk file automatic created. Duplicate clean. This is really uninstall apps. Wow, this is got 1.8 GB already found it. Okay. I just they are showing I am using VIP because this is free now for limited time. You can actually use this. Chrome, WPS, sticky notes. Yes. This is really helpful for all Windows PC user. Already 7.6 GB found. And this one, uninstall apps. This one really help. Sometimes we are install application and forget. Okay. Where C drive data. Clean C drive data. Japanese, Korean, so they are finding the junk files already. Wow. And we are clear by the disk analyzer. This uninstall app. Uninstall apps can clean C drive. This is really helpful. My viewers, wow, you can install the apps from here. If you found this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. And this app is must you have to try in your PC. Clear cache data. This is really helpful for all of us. Wow, this is amazing apps. This is now free for all. Please check. This app is called WMaster Cleanup. Thank you for watching.